Hello, my name is Susan Alvaro, and I am the proud principal of Azalea Middle School. Here is what you need to know about us. The Academy of Engineering at Azalea Middle School is a standard-setting program that offers innovative curriculum and opportunities for all learners. We're the only middle school in the world to offer an unmanned drone aviation course that gives students the opportunity to become certified in drone safety and flight. In addition to our groundbreaking drone opportunities, Azalea is proud to be the only middle school in the county to now offer manned aviation courses. Our state-of-the-art flight simulation lab provides students with real-world flying opportunities and learning experiences. In addition to our magnet program, we offer several other school-based academies and after-school programs to meet the needs of every student. Students can participate in the Creative Arts Academy, our Avid Leadership Academy, robotics, cadet corps, Girls Who Code, various sports, and much, much more. For more information about Azalea Middle School, please contact us at